So it's AMG o'clock, and what I love is that the latest setting is actually, whoops, is actually saved in the car, which is great. So even when you turn it off, that setting is saved. Anyway, I think Sport and Sport Plus is quite a handy setting because both are in automatic. And if you want, look at those parking attendants, they're everywhere. Anyway, and if you, okay, where is he going? I was going in. What the fuck? That's so tight, what a moron. Anyway, let's take another way past Zlatan, see if his LaFerrari is out cruising. I mean, you can take it, it's quite relaxing. Here is Zlatan's house, no LaFerrari. I mean, you have your hands free. You don't have to paddle if you don't want to. And there are some bangs and some loud exhausts. And if you don't like that, you can always use Sport. I mean, comfort is a bit too slow. That's frustrating slow because you're used to the acceleration of this car. What's this? There's some white dirt. I need to clean the window. Yeah, now it's gone. See, it really keeps the high revs up. This is a good way to see the gears if you change the rev counter so you see the gears there. And I mean, you can also have a sporty mode. As a friend told me, it reminds him about Bentley, about the good old like W124 it is, or no, it's the 560 SEL S-Class times when the indicators or the dials were in somewhat yellow, which is kind of true. It's funny. Here's not as much as yellow. I mean, why would you choose this or this? Let me think, which one do I like most? I mean, somehow yellow is clearer at a glance. And what I really discovered yesterday is these indicators for the gears. That's really nice, sporty. But if you're like not on the track, this is enough for me. I really want those smaller dials. Like, I mean, speed to the left, acceleration, or rev counter to the right. Yeah, anyway, down here we have the water. I bought breakfast. Look at this. And some buns. Yesterday I was hammering this car on the airfield, and wow, I'm impressed. Simply a lot of fun and versatile. Oh, I have the baggage thing up there, you see the net, but I also have the thing that covers the luggage. It hinders the view a bit. Anyway, bike light first, then cars. I promise he pulls a red light. No, he didn't. Yellow pants, that's interesting. Okay, we need to come out. Those banks are crazy. I need to go to Arlanda, to the airport. I'm just gonna film you outside of the city here. I would like to show you the castle, but unfortunately we don't have time right now. See, the revs are quite high. Shifts at 2,500 or so. Look, Q. Because, and one bus lane completely unused. I kind of remember it's been 2 lanes for a while there. But now there's only 1 lane, and a bus lane that's never used. Incroyable. Oh, if you look to the left, we have it was a huge fire racing. A complete building was burned down or up, you say? I'll show you later. One thing I can't believe with these seats is that they have both heating and ventilation, which is impressive for these kind of bucket seats. Anyway, have a look at the left. This burnt house, not here. Not here. I think it's to the one to the left of this building. Yeah, you can smell the burn, you see, over there. Wow, it smells like a giant smoke bomb. It smells like a bonfire, the whole city center. Wow, crazy. So do we get more sound if we open this up? Oh, let's see. Oh, I closed the inner. Look what I did. I closed the inner roof instead. I didn't want to do that. I want to open up for sound. Now it's open. So, recognize the green logo? Headquarters of Swedish invention Spotify. Yeah. Parking attendants. I get so frustrated when I see them. Sometimes I need to really look a long time where the clock is, and it's down here. That's a bit confusing. Anyway. Okay, do I have time to go over green? Yes, we have. And see another E-Class. But, as always, I mean, 80% of the new E-Class estates you see are taxis. That's the only... See how discreet it is from behind. As my friend told me, who will buy a E63S 4MATIC, he gonna buy a Brabus diffuser carbon fiber with LED light, F1 style LED light, and then you have some nicer rear end. But yeah, that's a bit disappointing. Anyway, that's all for now. Loving the car. I mean, so surprised.